In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in and out in Figma with ease. If you're new to Figma, or even if you're just looking for a refresher, you're in the right place. Whether you're an experienced designer or just getting started, mastering the navigation tools in Figma can significantly enhance your workflow and efficiency. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to make sure that you're on the Figma platform. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to Figma's website. Figma is a powerful, collaborative interface design tool that's widely used by designers all over the world. It's web-based, which means you don't need to download any software. Everything happens right in your browser. Once you've reached the Figma homepage, click on the Login button if you're not yet signed in. You'll need to enter your Figma credentials to access your projects. After logging in, you'll be directed to the home screen, your launching point for all your design files. Now that you're on the Figma home screen, let's get into the main task, zooming. Zooming helps you get a closer look at your designs, or step back to see the bigger picture, which is crucial for refining details and evaluating overall layout. To zoom in, press the Control key on your keyboard, then tap the plus sign, plus. Each tap zooms in a bit more, allowing you to focus on those intricate details in your design. This can be particularly useful when you need to align elements with precision, or when you're perfecting those finishing touches. On the flip side, to zoom out, simply press the Control key and tap the minus sign. This action will gradually zoom out, presenting you with a broader view of your design. Being able to zoom out swiftly can help you maintain a perspective on how individual elements contribute to the overall composition. These shortcuts are intuitive and will quickly become second nature as you continue to work within Figma. Knowing how to zoom efficiently is one of those little tricks that can save you time and improve your overall design experience. It's worth noting that using a mouse with a scroll wheel or a laptop with a trackpad also offers zoom capabilities. On a trackpad, for instance, you can pinch to zoom, similar to how you would on a smartphone or tablet. This alternative method provides a smooth and fluid experience, especially if you prefer to keep your hands off the keyboard. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive guide to zooming in and out in Figma. With these techniques, you can seamlessly navigate your design projects, ensuring you spend less time fumbling with controls and more time creating stunning designs. Thanks for watching and happy designing.